me see, Olivia. What is it?
You need help opening that?
Untie it? Pull that one right there.
Pull that string.
You can pull that one?
There you go.
All right. What's in it? Peeps.
What is it, baby? Look, I can see. You like peeps?
Where do they go?
I eat the big car.
You eat them in the car. After you go potty?
That's what you call living on the run, right?
Clips. Like clips? Hold them. Is that a peep? Yep. Look at it. Take
Is
the
that
tag
a
off.
peep you can sleep
Olivia,
with?
look. Take your basket.
Take
There
your
might be
basket,
more.
honey.
Here, hold your basket.
Look, I can show you. Come here.
And
Come
go
here,
back
baby.
out, look.
Come here, look. Here's one. Put that in there. Oh, goodness. Take it and put it in
There
here.
are like 20 out here. Put it in your basket.
Put it in your basket. Wait a minute, there's more. Come here,
Let's get
baby,
them all
look.
and then see.
Oh, here's the orange one. Put that,
I
here,
found
put
it.
this one in your basket. Oh, Ashley. Yeah, get it quick before Ashley gets it. See, yeah, put this one in here. And get that when you have them all. There you go.
Look, Olivia, are there more?
Oh, no, they're everywhere. Look, they're everywhere. They're everywhere. Yes.
Got a yellow egg? Put it in your
Got a
basket.
yellow egg.
Come here, Ashton. Don't get them. Oh, more. More. There, Olivia, look at. I'll stick it. We'll open them
Well
later.
done,
Let's
you
get
got
them all. Let's see. They want them open with your hands before.
Let's get more
Oh,
over here.
look, watch Ashton.
Afton's trying to eat an egg.
Don't let Ashton get them.
Is Afton eating an egg?
It's mine.
Excuse me.
I think there's some over here.
Lots over here. Look, Olivia, is that one over here?
Ashton's found another one.
Got blue little lips.
Another.
Are there any in the bushes?
Yeah. All those.
You just finding eggs everywhere.
Daddy used to have the golden
Yeah.
egg.
Are there more over there?
Found the golden egg. That's a big deal. What? Ashton found some in the tree. Look. Oh,
Yeah, one in there. Green one. Wow, more.
oh, you almost stepped on one.
Found a tiger in there?
That one's
Tattoos.
Whoa.
tattoos.
Whoa.
All right.
Look at your foot. Oh, there's one. What is that Mama's got? Is that a cornea sticky?
Look, Olivia, there's
You
some
muscle
more.
on that, baby girl.
Afton, what are you eating?
Grass.
Brad, so he
Did
can
the
throw up.
Easter Bunny bring you all this stuff?
Just
Okay, let's go see if there's more over here.
Can I see?
Let's go Gaga. The pink one would be pretty too. A blue one.
Watch Mama.
Over there. I see
Where's
some
the
more.
other one?
Okay.
Oh,
Show Poppy.
what color is that one?
Yeah, Easter Bunny brought all that stuff.
What?
That's what Easter Bunnies do.
Oh, there's another
Do
one.
you see any more, Olivia? There's more.
There's
Oh,
one
there's another
behind
one.
you. Look over there by the side. Turn around towards Mama. Oh, there's more. There's a green one.
Nature gets in the way. Good job.
Is it heavy?
You want Mama to go get your jacket?
Look
Okay.
here.
Look, there's one.
Olivia, here's some more.
You want to,
Oh, goodness.
Oh, goodness.
Yes, that's when the other kids come and start grabbing. They're on the ground. They're free game.
Courtney, if you'll hang on a second, I want to get a picture here of this.
Another one.
Oh.
Do we have more, Olivia?
Brad, if you never did this, you don't know what you missed.
Oh, I think I did this.
Come on this way. Let's go see if there's some over here, Olivia.
Okay.
Brad made an important point. We all dressed up like this. Two. Is it 2 or 3 or 4? Look at all these holes for all of these.
Another one. Another one.
Can I see?
All your eggs in there.
Are we gonna get
Look,
some more?
there's a yellow one.
Where's the yellow one?
Look at these holes.
I know it's funny.
Are they
Yeah, they are. Look, there's a yellow one.
There's an orange one and a pink one.
There's one.
Liberty, you want to wear your sweatshirt? Hey, Liberty, you want to wear your stripes?
Look, and there's one over
What's
there.
in it? I think. What is it? What's in it? What is in there? Egg.
Afton.
What? Look. Look on that rock. Look right here on this rock. Huh. Great day. What's in that one? What's in that one?
Okay, there's one more. Courtney, look at that that popped out in the garden. See the purple bloom?
Uh-huh. You got it.
That's not an egg, but smell it. You can have it. It's a flower.
Put it in your basket.
Basket. Put it in your basket, baby.
Look at that basket full of eggs.
The flower, okay?
Look, Olivia. Feet hanging down.
I know.
Come on. Let's go see if you find any more in the rock. Up. Look. A pink one. Right there. Better grab it.
How many you got?
One more. Is that all? I think there might be.
Uh-huh.
Olivia.
Furry critter over here.
Olivia.
Oh no! Look! Oh no!
What's that?
What is that?
What is that?
Bunny.
A bunny?
A neat. That's neat.
No.
Let me see him. Can I see him?
The
We're
puppy.
just standing all over my
I see. It's a purple bunny.
All the
Bush,
eggs
did
are
you
there.
notice
Should we go
what was under
inside and
your
open them? You go and
What?
open them?
What? Just periwinkle?
Yeah.
Is that everything? Is that all of them? All right. Wait. What about this up here in the yard? You want Mama to go get that basket?
No.
Tell her to get it and bring it inside where it's warm. Won't you?
Happen.
We like that picture of the flowers.
Will you open them?
I realize how dirty